Hi, in this short guide, I will show you how to make Instagram account official. So how to receive verification badge from Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So if you want to apply for verification badge, first of all, you have to meet the requirements to apply for verification or meet the criteria for the verification badge. There are two ways how to verify it, and the first one is subscribe to Meta Verified, and the second one is apply for the verification badge through the application form. But first of all, you have to make sure that you will meet all the criteria. So you will be authentic, unique, your profile will be complete and no table. And be careful to really meet all these criteria because you will be not verified once you don't meet them. So go to your Instagram account, make sure you have the profile picture, you have to fill in your bio, then uh, go to your profile settings and go to the hamburger menu on the top right. Make sure that your account is not in the private mode. So if your account is in the private mode, you have to switch it off. It's one of the criteria for getting verified. So switch it off, and where you can find the application for getting verified, or scroll down, go to for professional section, and go to account type and tools. And here is uh, and here you can apply for request verification. So tap on the request verification and apply for Instagram verification. You have to fill in all these information and then you can actually request or you can submit this form and they will look manually through your application. But as I told you, first of all, you have to meet all the verifications criteria. So be careful. Once again, check what are the criteria for verification. You can take a screen from that. You can go to Help Center on Instagram and look for it. And then submit for the verification. Once you met all the criteria, there is no way that your account will be not verified. So this is how you can get verification badge on Instagram. And as one more time, if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks.